And of course, the comfort level is more when you're.
Generally, with other partners, you prepare. Okay, we'll do this, that.
Hi guys, welcome back to Peeping Moon. I'm Rashida Sahani, and today we have with us Smriti Khanna and Gautam Gupta for their new song, which is from Just Music label, titled Wajah. Okay, so Smriti and Gautam, firstly tell me that the song has released finally, and it's only been 3 hours, but the love it's getting, it's so much. So how do you feel about that?
Ecstatic, of course. You know what? I was never expecting it to be that popular that fast, but even during the teasers when it was coming out, we really got some good vibes, good comments.
We got a great response.
Good feeling from people that they really want to watch what it is.
Yeah.
So,
I think the song is lovely, so I think the response, we were expecting it to be great, but then I think a lot of people we are getting reposts from a lot of profiles and people, and people you don't even know they're loving the song, and the response is amazing.
Yeah, so I was going through a few comments on the YouTube video where it's released, and people are actually loving the chemistry. They're asking for more songs, or we want to see you both together in a show and all of that. So what do you have to say about that?
I think we enjoy working together, and that comes across also. So that is why. And also, Just Music, when they had approached us, they told us they are looking for a real couple because they want to see that chemistry and all. And because, we get a lot of good response on our social media handles because of the videos and content we create, the candid content that we have. Yeah. So I think that's why they must have approached us. And
basically, our chemistry is amazing. Thank you so much.
There's no doubt about that after watching the song. So tell me something. How was it shooting for it? Because once you're shooting with a co-actor, of course it's a little different. But when you're shooting with your real life partner, I'm sure it's a little different. So how was the experience?
Yeah. So I wasn't sure how the chemistry will come out, but we were left quite free to create our own moments, and it was quite magical because we just kept on creating, and then the cameras kept rolling for whatever scenes we had together with each other. They never had to say like, okay, cut it. Just went on. You guys had stopped till later on. So most of the shots were just us really enjoying ourselves with each other in our company, whether we are playing with a pillow or we are just having an intimate moment.
Yeah. So, and of course, the comfort level is more when you're.
Generally, with other partners, prepare. Okay, we'll do this, that.
Every touch needs to be, prepared and this and that. Otherwise, if you're the comfort level, I'll be like, put your hand in.
Here's like action.
And we'll just start.
Okay, that's great. And what about the collaboration with Just Music? Because all their songs have this either this catchy tune or a very, very impressive video. So how was the collaboration?
I think Just Music is just doing a fabulous job because the music they have created on their own and the kind of stuff they're doing is
in such little time.
Yeah, I don't know one song which is not really catchy or upbeat among so many songs they're creating so fast and giving so many people the opportunity and finding what's suitable for each song. Even the songs they're picking up, they're not all big Arijit Singh or the big singers. They're picking up songs from everywhere and making a very interesting, some of the repertoire of stuff for people to see, which is great. And thankful to Just Music for giving us our own song. So now we're hoping that people will make videos out of our song.
Okay, that's great. And what about you, Smriti?
Yeah, I think Just Music, I'm really been a fan of their music. I love their Prada song and Dude Bean also all their songs and all the even
Muskurayega India right now.
Muskurayega India is very nice. It was also very nice. I've liked all their songs, and when they had approached us, I was really happy and thrilled. And when I heard the song, I loved it so much in the first go that we were like, oh, we're lucky that we got such a great song, and people which starring in that.
I think Jackie's a great actor. I've never seen someone who has the mind and of course there's so much understanding the nuance. So having a good song.
Yeah. Okay. And tell me something. Is there any show that you all are in talks with, both of you together? Because I think people are actually loving the chemistry and the connection that, you know, a real life couple is doing it.
There is a show we are creating, but right now it's at a very initial stage for us to talk about it. But yeah,
it's a comedy show.
It's a comedy
show. A couple, it's a
husband
and a wife, totally different than what we are. But fun.
Okay. Yeah. And when was the song? I wanted to actually ask. It's such a beautiful location. When was it shot and where was it shot?
It was shot in Yerevan, Armenia.
Okay.
We didn't know that this location is so pretty, and it's not. I was not expecting it to be that pretty and that cold also.
Yeah.
It's pretty cold there. So,
yeah,
we were shooting in some -7 degrees, and we knew it's going to be a little cold because it's on that side, but it was quite cold, and then we had to, for a few shots, we had to enter the water and all, and it was just cold at 7 a.m. in the morning, I guess. Yeah, so that was the hard part, but I think that's something we always remember. And the locations were all very beautiful.
Okay, that's great. And when was it shot actually? Was it like shot beforehand?
Yeah, it was shot in November. Beginning of November.
Okay, that's great. So when shooting for the song, of course, it's a romantic number. But when it comes to romance, you really have to do something different because then all the romantic numbers will be, the same. I watched the song. I saw that, of course, the chemistry was an add-on point. When you were shooting for it, was your approach a little different?
Not really. I think we had met with a team before that, and they had told us what they are looking for. But they never told us exactly what to do.
Okay.
So they wanted us to kind of create those moments on our own, and that's what we did. So they just, like he said, they were just rolling the camera, and they made us sit, and then they said, "Now, just go and action." And then we just started kind of creating.
The idea of the song is that it's a nice, strong, romantic song with needs good chemistry and a great location. It's all said, these two things are there.
I think that's why they wanted a real couple, probably.
Yeah.
So they can see the kind of
shooting songs. Generally, we have very limited time. There's one more day which we're really working the whole day.
Yeah. Okay. And in your real life, talking about it, who's more romantic amongst the you two?
We have those questions answered.
Yeah. Okay, that's great. And talking about your lockdown period, the song has of course released amidst it. Do you think it's going to, because people are right now on the internet 24/7, are, looking for new songs, new web shows to watch everything. Do you think that's also going to benefit it? Of course, we are seeing the in 3 hours only it has done so good.
Yeah, I think that definitely helps. That will help. But any good song or anything which is good and good content will always be watched,
Yeah.
And sooner or later, of course, it gains popularity if it's good. So that is what we are. So we were not concerned about when we have to release it, or it's not like planned that it should come in this lockdown period. We were pretty sure about the song, and now this could be an add-on, but we were pretty sure that it's going to be a hit and people are going to like it for sure.
Okay. And congratulations on, of course, your first child. I just wanted to ask, it's funny, but yeah, whenever, you have a child at home, you make sure that your work also, it's shown to, or heard to him or her. So did your baby girl get a chance to, have a glimpse of the song as well?
Oh, she will not be able to see. She's too tiny right now. She doesn't even know.
But that's the lullaby. Sleeping lullaby nowadays. Different versions of Vajaa going on.
Yeah.
Different dance.
Yeah.
Oh,
so,
that's what we've been hearing, and I have been, kind of singing to her the song. So I'm sure she'll kind of remember it.
Okay. And I was also going through the comments on Instagram, and there were so many fans who were asking, we want a part 2 of this song. So is that in plans?
Oh, I hope so. We would love to do that. But nothing of that sort is planned right now. But if something like that happens,
let's try and make the song really popular. We get lots of hits.
so that we can do
people will really believe in our chemistry, and then there will be more songs. So that's what I would request.
Yeah, I'm sure that's going to happen. Yeah.
Please do like the song.
Yeah.
Please do share
it. Create your own moments.
All whatever is required.
Okay. And lastly, one message for all the fans out there who love you too as the couple that you are.
So if you liked us as a couple, then if you liked us in real life, then do watch our song and the moments that we created for you guys to watch, and like it, share it, and promote it.
So I think what's the best part is that we guys always created our own videos, romantic videos.
Yes.
Them
Fun videos.
Yeah. Besides the fun videos, we also have romantic videos.
Yeah.
They are just pure moments we created on other people's songs. So we are hoping now we have our own song that our fans are inspired to create their own moments.
Yeah.
On our song, Vajay, we like to create and we'd like to see